In an instant, everything changed forever. A city reduced to ash and shadows. Hiroshima, the eye of a storm that would shake humanity to its core. Few events are as shrouded in mystery and haunting silence as that day, August 6, 1945, when a single bomb tore through the skies. But beneath the devastation lies a deeper, darker story, one of hidden truths, unanswered questions, and a shadow that still lingers today. Why did the United States choose Hiroshima as its target when other options existed? And what secrets remain buried beneath those smoldering ruins, waiting to be uncovered? As the bomb detonated, a blinding flash revealed horrors that defied human comprehension. Blast waves tearing through concrete, fires consuming everything in their path. Yet beyond the flames, whispers of eerie phenomena began to surface. Strange shadows, unexplained lights, as if the city itself refused to die quietly. Survivors speak of ghostly figures flickering near the debris, sightings that challenge the very fabric of reality. Did some form of consciousness cling to the remnants of Hiroshima, refusing to fade into oblivion? The nuclear explosion was meant to end the war, yet it opened a door to something darker, something inconceivable. In the aftermath, the city was a wasteland of loss, but also of strange occurrences that continue to haunt investigators and historians alike. Radiation burns were only part of the story. Many survivors reported sensations of unseen presences, watching, waiting. Exploiting the chaos, some researchers uncovered anomalies, unexplained electromagnetic phenomena that defy scientific explanation. Was this a side effect of the bomb's destructive power, or something more sinister and metaphysical? The tragedy of Hiroshima is etched into the collective consciousness, yet beneath the surface an unsettling pattern emerges. Stories of travelers who visited the ruins claim to have felt cold spots where no wind blows, whispers carried by the wind with no source. One survivor recalls an indistinct voice echoing from the shadows, a haunting plea lost in the roar of the explosion. Could these voices be echoes of those who perished, or something darker, an ancient presence awakened by destruction? As the decades passed, reports of inexplicable sightings in Hiroshima intensified. Strange lights in the night sky, shadowy figures wandering near the ruins. Some believe the city holds a secret, an energy or essence that refuses to be extinguished, resisting even the most destructive forces. Then there are stories of strange patterns in the radiation data, clusters that defy natural decay, suggesting something beyond human science. Is it possible that the bomb unleashed not only devastation but also a portal, linking our world to something unseen, something otherworldly? This idea fuels theories of a cursed city, forever haunted by its own history of destruction and rebirth. Researchers have uncovered reports from military personnel who experienced inexplicable phenomena during the nuclear testing era in the Pacific. They speak of seeing apparitions, hearing disembodied voices, feeling an unshakable oppression, an eerie warning from the unknown. Could Hiroshima be a nexus, a point where human history and cosmic forces intertwine? Some say the shadows, ghostly figures, and unexplained lights are remnants of a consciousness left behind, an entity born from tragedy and chaos. Others argue it's the enduring legacy of human guilt and unanswered questions, an imprint on the fabric of reality itself. As more stories emerge, the line between history and mystery blurs. What if Hiroshima's true story is far darker than we know? What if the shadows we see are not memories but something alive, something waiting, watching, perpetually bound to this cursed place? In the end, Hiroshima remains a stark reminder of destruction's power and of mysteries that refuse to die. The city's scars are etched into time, holding secrets that threaten to unravel what we believe about life, death, and the unknown. And as we gaze into its haunted ruins, we are reminded the past is never truly buried. It lingers in shadows, waiting to be revealed. Will humanity ever truly understand what happened that day, or are we just glimpsing the surface of something far deeper? Could this tragedy have opened a door, invited in forces beyond our comprehension to dwell among the remnants of humanity? The questions remain, echoing through the silence, questions that challenge our very understanding of reality. Hiroshima doesn't just tell us about destruction. It whispers of something darker, something we fear to face. And perhaps that fear is what keeps its secrets hidden beneath layers of ash and shadow. What if the truth about Hiroshima is not just about war, but about awakening something ancient and unknowable? A presence born from human hubris, distorted by our pursuit of power and the chaos of our own making. As dark as the story is, it also invites us to reconsider the boundaries between this world and the next. What truths lie in the silence behind those broken buildings, in the flickering lights of a city that refuses to forget? The more we explore, the more the mystery deepens. an enduring enigma of life, death, and what lies beyond. Hiroshima may have been a beginning, but perhaps it was also a doorway to something infinitely more terrifying. And now, as the shadows lengthen and the silence deepens, the question remains, are we truly alone in the dark?